Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today I'm going to show you how you can save heaps of time with Twinkl PlanIt. Log on to twinkl.com.au, then under the headings Resources, Extra, click on PlanIt. Twinkl PlanIt is an amazing scheme of work created to support the teaching of the Australian curriculum. We have schemes of work planned ready to teach for English, Maths and HASS. You can find resource packs for writing, language conventions. For mathematics, you can find number and algebra, measurement and geometry for the different year levels. For HASS, we've got resource packs for history and geography for year 3 to 6. We constantly have new subject areas and lesson packs added. Let me show you how amazing our HASS resource packs are. Click on HASS. Select the year level that you're after. I'm going to show you year 6 today. I click on the topic and we're going to talk about Federation. Each resource has an overview, which is a free download for you to explore to see if this is suitable for your class and your learning. Click on Overview and click Download Now. Here you'll be able to see the introduction to this lesson. You've got home learning opportunities, wider learning opportunities, assessment statements, so what your children should be able to achieve by the end of this lesson, and then your lesson breakdown. So you'll have your different lessons and the relevant lesson pack. Let's have a closer look at one of our packs. So you can download it as a full complete pack, your unit plan, and then you can also download the lessons individually. So we'll have a look at lesson 1 today. Once you download your lesson 1 pack, your pack will come with a full detailed lesson plan with your curriculum indicator, with your learning sequence and your differentiation. You will have the worksheets, the activities that are related to that lesson, and you have your success criteria. It also comes with a PowerPoint, and your lesson plan will include when to present this PowerPoint. Don't forget, we have our free taster resources ready for you to test out. Click on Taster Packs, download either the Foundation to 2 activity pack or the 3 to 6 activity pack to try it out for yourself and see how amazing it is. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for more Twinkl Tips.